This is a 2-bedroom penthouse villa. Okay, it is gorgeous. Are you guys seeing the view behind me? This is gorgeous. So I really wanted to show you guys this villa that we're staying for the weekend, and I really hope you enjoy this video. You can like, comment down below. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour, and I'll also show you guys the property, and I'll talk to you guys in another video.
There was something we were fighting about. Can't remember it, can't recall at all. Something about my mind, something wasn't right, something about me. You always win, you always get away. No matter how much pain you cause, I stay. I'm always left behind, lonely in the night. It's so dark, can't see the light. But babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you. I always wanna be with you, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you, my love. Oh, oh, oh. You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. There was something you were screaming about, but I closed my ears, cause I don't wanna hear it anymore. God, it's always something about me. Never something about you, always something about me, only me. What's up with that? What's up with that? Have you ever asked yourself, what's up with that? Oh baby, why won't you take a good look at yourself and stop blaming me when I just wanna be with you? You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you. I always wanna be with you, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you, my love. Oh, oh, oh.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video, and I really hope you guys enjoy this beautiful oceanfront penthouse. So just for some information, unfortunately the unit that we stayed in, this specific one, it is not available to the public. Again, it is not available to the public. However, there is another unit, or there's several units actually within the this the waves that we stayed in, and also on Whispering Seas on the other side that are available on Airbnb. But I will be linking down in the description box at one that is available on Airbnb, somewhat similar to the one that we stayed in. You still will be getting a gorgeous view as well, so I'll link that down below if you're interested in staying in, you know, this villa. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Please comment down below, let me know if you like the place. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.